Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Quality Pharmaceutical Solutions. In last week video I discussed about difference between the quality control and quality assurance department. Now this week I want to tell about more about quality control department, how they are working, what is the basic things in there and what people used to do over there. So basically if you think about quality control department, what is come to in your mind? Like if you thinking about manufacturing na, definitely it will come ki manufacturing means there is productions, warehouse means storing the people. In same way quality control means this is a department where you done the analysis. So analysis the only thing is to do in the quality control department. It is not like that. There are several other things also going in that same department. So in this video I want to discuss about more about that quality control department and their sections and what is their major activities and what are the QMS activities they are following up. So in that first I want to do the quality control section. So as I told, quality control sections they are having the major role about the performing the analysis. So how it is doing there? So if you divide the major activities in the quality control, you can divide in the three major steps. First thing is the sampling, okay, second thing is the analysis, and final thing is the recording and reporting of the whatever the outcome of the analysis. So now the going to the first section, that is the sampling. So sampling means what? Sampling means to get the sample for the analysis in the laboratory. So from where people are getting the samples? We can go getting samples from the warehouse. What kind of samples we are getting for the warehouse? Like raw material and packing material. We can get the samples from the manufacturing. What kind of samples we are getting? Like in case of API industry we are getting in process, intermediate stage samples, API section. In case of formulations we are getting the formulations as well as some in process samples also we are getting for the analyzing. And then in another thing we are getting from ESD also we are getting some samples. So ESD means Environmental Service Department. From there we are getting some different kind of water samples for the microbiological study as well as chemical studies. So basically warehouse and the manufacturing, these are the major samples provided to the quality control department. So now the thing is sampling. So how the QC people are doing the sampling activity? It is actually vast science. It is sampling, it is not an easy task to do, because why na, some of the samples you need to take some precautions, special kind of precautions. Suppose light sensitive material, maybe material is hygroscopic, maybe material is sensitive to your skin, you have to take proper PP, proper precautions to during the samplings and sampling tools. There are different kind of sampling tools. For solids will be different kind of things and for liquids will be the different kind of sampling things. For the sampling I will make another video to tell more about the sampling tools and their sampling tools, cleaning, validation, all those total sampling activity I will prepare another video. So now move to the another section. So QC persons, they are getting their samples from either warehouse, productions or ESD and bringing back the samples to the quality control for the analytical activity. Now the thing is how the analyst perform the analysis. For each and every samples, analyst in quality control there are specifications and method of analysis available. For any kind of samples they are getting from the warehouse or productions, they are having the specifications and MOA. So in specifications and MOA, what are the contents are available? Specifications and MOA, it is a combination. There will be specifications limit for the series of tests you need to perform that particular samples. Okay, so in first page there will be limits, means what will be the acceptance criteria for particular test, and followed by there will be the method of analysis, means how to perform the test and which analytical technique you need to use. Like suppose water content you need to do by KF, like residual substance you need to do by HPLC, like residual solvents you need to do by gas chromatography. So entire method, sample preparations, standard preparations, instrument methods, how to run the sequence. Okay, in case of water content, how much quantity sample you need to take for the analysis, what precautions you need to take during analysis, which instrument you need to, which model, which are the method parameters you need to set in the instrument, everything it is there in the spec and MOA. So analyst, when they are getting the samples, first they going for the analytical activity and they go for the analysis, and during this doing this analytical activity they are following the spec and MOA. Next thing is the observation and reporting the results. So whatever during this analysis, so analyst has to write it in a book, and raw data in different company they used to say different kind of terms they are using. In some of the companies they are using TDS, means test data sheet, they are recording. Some of the companies they are saying is the ROA, record of analysis. Some of the companies they are having total electronic systems like LIMS, laboratory instrument management system. In that case analysts no need to write manually anything, automatically all the instruments are connected with the LIMS server, and whatever the activity it is automatically stored in that LIMS server. So in this case analysts no need to write anything, so automatic electronic raw data it will be available in the system. So followed by that this activity, when the sampling activity done, followed by analytical activity done, reporting, recording and reporting also done, followed by this activity going to the quality assurance department for the further review and further release of the thing. So in this quality assurance, in there also some of the companies they are using the terms lab QA, laboratory quality assurance. Some of the companies they are using the term analytical quality assurance. Okay, so this is the flow. In this flow there are several things are there. So sampling activity I will prepare one video for that, for particularly that purpose only. What is the sampling? Analysis is the major thing in the quality control, that is also another sections, and followed by recording and reporting, and followed by the review. This is the circle.